everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can use two accounts on your WhatsApp. But before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So what you will do is simply go to your WhatsApp app. Let me show you something. So if you open your WhatsApp app, if you tap this three dot icon above and just go to settings, and as you will see, there is no option called add a new account or switch to other account option because this function is not available on WhatsApp. So what you have to do is you will simply go to your settings, and there you will go to this option called app. In some phone they have option called apps manager, and then you will see this option called app twin. So if I enable this, as you can see, creating twin app, I'll have the exact twin app of my WhatsApp where I can use the two app at the same time. For some phones there is an option called app clone. So there, if you go through that option, then you will be able to clone your particular app that you would like to. And as you can see, I have just cloned my WhatsApp, and let me go back and show you. In this original WhatsApp, I have my ID logged in and all the chats and the messages. In this I don't have. That means I can log in with another account over here. Simple. So you can have two accounts in one WhatsApp easily. And the other method that you can use is you will simply go to your Play Store and search in Google Play WhatsApp Business. So this is also like genuinely for a business purpose. If you will tap on this app here, you can download this WhatsApp Business, and then you can again have to go through all the steps. You will create your account and you can again use it. So this is how you can use two accounts on WhatsApp, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, do leave them below in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.